Ashore. Jacqueline.
Well, Pam, you probably noticed a few of the changes out there today. We saw some increase in clouds. You can see that here in this live picture of the Bay Bridge Toll Plaza. Also cooler temperatures as the storm is approaching. Satellite and radar picture showing the clouds continuing to increase over the Bay Area. Rain still offshore. The core of the system is well up to the north, but this is the tail end of it. Look how expansive it is. And this is going to be pushing along the coastline into tomorrow morning and also through the afternoon and evening hours. So we're going to see rain through much of the day tomorrow. Tonight we'll have increasing clouds, but no rain just yet. The rain is going to start about 8-9 o'clock tomorrow morning. It'll first be lighter but steady, and into the afternoon it'll pick up in intensity. We'll have some periods of heavier rain into the afternoon, also gusty winds up to 35 miles an hour, and we could even see some severe thunderstorms near the coastline tomorrow afternoon. We're going to time it out on Futurecast. We're going to take a look at rainfall totals and snow in the Sierra, all coming up in just a bit. Is on the way. As we take a look at satellite and radar picture this afternoon, you can see this band of clouds approaching the coastline. So we've seen some increasing clouds already, but this is where most of the rain is going to lie, back here. So this is going to move into late tomorrow morning and into the afternoon. So here's the timing. It's going to start late Wednesday morning, about 8, 9, maybe even as late as 10, and it's going to go pretty much on and off through Thursday morning. The heaviest rain will come Wednesday afternoon. Rainfall totals will be between 1 and 2 inches for the coastal hills, the mountains of the Bay Area. The valleys will see up to an inch of rain, with most places coming in at about a half an inch of rain. The impacts will largely be the afternoon commute tomorrow, wet and windy, wind gusts up to 35 miles an hour. And we also have the chance of severe weather into tomorrow evening. We're talking about severe thunderstorms. We'll get to that here in just a moment. First, Futurecast 4 shows the rain still offshore, largely by about 8 o'clock in the morning, and by 9 o'clock really in full swing for the North Bay coastline, also down the peninsula. As we move into the afternoon, Futurecast is showing rain largely to the north and to the east, but I think we're going to have pretty steady showers south of the Golden Gate as well. Into the afternoon, the rain will pick up in intensity. You see all this yellow on your screen, so periods of moderate rain into the 3 o'clock hour. And then as we head into the afternoon commute, we are continuing to see these periods of moderate rain over San Francisco, Livermore, San Jose, lighter showers for the peninsula and for the East Bay shoreline. But take a look at this. You see this deep shade of red here. That indicates a thunderstorm along the North Bay coastline, possibly a severe one as well. As we move into the evening hours, we have the possibility of more of these cells continuing in the 7 o'clock hour. Very hard to pinpoint, but that possibility does exist for the afternoon, into the evening tomorrow, and possibly also lingering into Thursday morning. You see the showers continuing to go at midnight. We'll continue to see them into the 4 o'clock hour, and then a little bit of a lull later in the day on Thursday. Here's a look at the rainfall totals. Again, the coastal hills and mountains up to 2 inches there. Same thing in the Santa Cruz Mountains, about a half an inch of rain to 1 inch of rain for the Bay shores. Same thing for the East Bay, a little bit less expected down in the South Bay. As for the Sierra, a winter weather advisory is in effect. We are going to be seeing snow. The snow levels will be starting at about 7,000 feet, but falling down to 5,000 feet through the day. Lake level up to a half a foot of new snow, and above 7,000 feet, we're expecting anywhere from a foot to a foot and a half of new snow. Here's a look at your extended forecast. Now, what we just talked about is just the first in a series of systems. That one coming through.
It's more we certainly needed, Jacqueline.
Yes, we need it, and we're going to get it. We're going to have 2 storms this week, one tomorrow, one Friday, and they're going to bring us several inches of rain when it's all said and done. Satellite radar picture right now showing the clouds pushing into the Bay Area. No rain just yet. Now, this storm is pretty big. The core of it is way up to the north. This is all the tail end of the system. So we're going to get this part first, and this is going to come into tomorrow morning. This is going to be mainly some lighter showers, and then this part comes in second into the afternoon and evening, and that's going to bring us some heavier rain. So here's a look at your weather headlines. We're going to see increasing clouds overnight, but no rain just yet. The rain starting at about 8 o'clock in the morning tomorrow, maybe just a little bit later. It'll be lighter to start, but steady as we head into the afternoon. That's when the rain is going to pick up in intensity. We'll have some periods of heavy rain, also gusty winds up to 35 miles an hour. And there is the threat of severe weather into tomorrow, late afternoon, evening, which could mean some severe thunderstorms. I'll explain what the risks are with that coming up in just a bit. It's on the way. You've probably already noticed the clouds that are starting to increase over the Bay Area. You can see it here over the Bay Bridge Toll Plaza. It's cooler out there this afternoon, and rain will be starting until late tomorrow morning, lasting all the way through Thursday morning. The heaviest rain will come into the afternoon and evening hours. Rainfall totals with this first storm will be between 1 and 2 inches for the coastal hills and mountains, and then our valleys will see up to an inch of new rain. The impacts largely the afternoon commute. Wednesday is going to be a nasty one, wet and windy, wind gusts up to 35 miles an hour. And we also have a chance of severe weather into tomorrow evening and early Thursday morning. We're talking about periods of heavy rain, some gusty winds, and possibly even a waterspout or a tornado offshore, and a tornado very near the coastline. More on that in just a moment. First, let's take a look at Futurecast 4. The 8 o'clock hour, still cloudy, but no rain just yet. The rain starts to move in by 9, 10 o'clock in the morning. Some areas of more moderate rainfall along the North Bay coastline. As we move into the noon hour, I think we're going to see pretty steady rainfall south of the Golden Gate. Futurecast 4 not really picking up over San Francisco, but it is picking it up over the East Bay and also over the North Bay. Into the afternoon, that's when the rain picks up in intensity. You see all the yellow on your screen, which shows moderate rainfall. As we head into the 5 o'clock hour, check this out. Up to the north, this area of deep red here, that indicates a severe cell. And you can see it's near the coastline. We see some very heavy rainfall with it, and we could even see some brief rotation with some of these cells. Now, the threat largely is going to be the heavy rain and the gusty winds. You see that here at the 7 o'clock hour. We're continuing with the moderate rain to the north, to the south, pretty much all over. By midnight, the showers turn a little bit more scattered, and that's how they're going to linger into Thursday morning, 4 o'clock. Still seeing some mainly light rain. That will taper off later on in the day on Thursday. As for the rainfall totals, here's a look up to an inch of rain bayside through the East Bay, a little bit less down in the South Bay. In the Santa Cruz Mountains and North Bay Hills, that's where we'll see the most rain, up to 2 inches of rain. A winter weather advisory in effect for the Sierra. The snow levels start a little bit higher, about 7,000 feet, but they'll fall down to lake level. Later on in the day, we'll see up to 6 inches of new snow at lake level and up to a foot and a half of new snow above 7,000 feet. So here's a look at your extended forecast. The first storm comes through tomorrow, lingers into Thursday. The next storm Friday, lingering into Saturday. Can expect to see the rain start to fall. And
our morning, and another wave into tomorrow afternoon will bring us some heavier rain. So let's take a look first on futurecast, pinpointing some showers starting around the North Bay coastline at 7. Also, a couple wayward showers south of the Golden Gate.